Did you guys know that WhatsApp has a hidden privacy feature that most people don't use, and it can seriously protect your chats? Open WhatsApp and go into any chat. Tap on the contact name or group name at the top. Here you'll see advanced chat privacy. By default, this is usually turned off. Once you turn it on, WhatsApp limits what others can do inside this chat. First, media like photos and videos won't be saved automatically to the other person's gallery. Second, this chat can't be exported, so the full conversation can't be shared outside WhatsApp. Third, Meta AI is disabled in this chat. No AI questions, summaries, or image creation here. And yes, this works for both one-on-one chats and group chats. And also, it works on both Android and iPhone. Also, settings apply per chat, not globally, and does not notify the other person when enabled. Media can still be viewed, just not auto-saved. This doesn't affect normal messaging. You can still chat, send media, and make calls as usual. It just adds an extra layer of privacy. If you care about chat privacy on WhatsApp, this is a feature you should turn on today. Like and follow for more hidden WhatsApp features.